the 2013 Nissan Cube. This four-door, five-passenger wagon offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Nissan prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.